felt the head shake. Come on! Oh, this is awesome.
You're doing good, babe. Don't let him get over in that tree.
No, it's right. I see you right now. Woohoo! Look at that. My arms are wow, look at it! Look at it! That's awesome! Holy crap! Holy crap!
I'm gonna keep that one.
No way, we can keep it. Oh, oh my god, I don't want to see that part. Ah! Ugh. You, what are you doing?
Popping scales so it'll bleed.
That's sick.
Yeah.
Splash some water on it so it's not all gross. The other side. Ew. Got it? Got a good one? Yeah, it looks big like this.
Let me get it for sure.
Right? Okay, you want it? Where should I put it?
Sit down.
Sick. We got slime on the camera.